Hi, it's Lisa Joy from Sage Wisdom Coaching and Inspiring Joy today, and I just wanted to show you the little berry patch that I found in the forest. Actually, they call it the woods. And the cool thing is how I love teaching business and nature at the same time, because nature teaches us so much. So when you're in a big patch of well, a whole bunch of green stuff, you have to really put your berry picking eyes on to find out where the berries are. And you can see, I can point them out to you, they're right here. Just like when you are doing your business, you need to put your business eyes on. So wherever you go and whatever's around you, it might be hard to see, there might be like business opportunities for you everywhere, but you can't see them. Kind of like these berries. There's berries everywhere. You kind of have to look around a lot, and you kind of have to look between things. See, here they are. And I have this great big bucket and not very many berries. But you know what? The berries that I do have are really potent, and they're really beautiful and strong and energizing and everything. And you can get like a, here, I'm going to turn this around. So you can get a lot of, what is the word I'm looking for? Like commercial berries, and buy them at the store, and they're like powerless. They don't have the same kind of concentration of energy in them or minerals or anything. Yeah, you can go to the forest and get a small amount and have them really powerful and, you know, just really energize you. Same with your business. You can have a really big list, but they're not really the right list. You can have 10,000 people on your list, and if you get a 2% conversion, sometimes you're lucky. The big guys, they get 2% conversion. But what about you? You can have like 100 people on your list and have raving fans, and that's more awesome, right? Because then you might have 50%. Who knows what your conversion rate is? But if you have people who are really committed to what you're doing and really follow you, it doesn't matter the size of your list. They're concentrated. They're amazing. So just keep your marketing eyes open. Keep your business eyes open. Keep your opportunities open, because they're powerful. This is Lisa Joy from Sage Wisdom Coaching and Inspiring Joy today. I hope you're having a berrylicious day. Take care.